It is Saturday morning, and we are headed to another build and grow. Good morning. So, the website didn't show a date as to when you could register, so we had to register at the busy one, but we got here 20 minutes early, and it looks like we beat the lines. How's it going, Logan? Okay, stop. Hit the other one. Hold it in place. Yeah, there you go. We did one similar. So we got there a little bit early, and it was a relatively easy project. So it's about 10:15 and we're all done. Boys, show me what you made.
Cars.
Cars? What does it do?
You pull it back and it goes. Yep.
Cool.
It's your turn, Angela.
Okay, let's see. Whoa. Okay, come. Watch out. He's coming down. Austin's having a good time, but I think Logan is kind of over going to the park. I guess when you turn 9, you outgrow the park. Of course, I had to pull him off of doing electronics to come do this, so that probably didn't help. Whoa!
That didn't land to stand up. You crashing something, you lose. No. Turn.
It's 5:30, already dark out. I'm not sure I like this winter month stuff. But we're headed to Wiener Schnitzel, go get some 25-cent mini corn dogs. Austin's been waiting for it all day. It is time for mini corn dogs.
Yeah, I will not care. We have
a chili dog on a pretzel bun.
And it's
we have
covered
mini
in
corn dogs, French fries, hot dog, and jalapeno poppers.
Well, mine.
Everything growing boys need.
Corn dogs.
Corn dogs? Okay. Oh, I ate way too many mini corn dogs and had too much ice cream. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. So I'm changing the wiper blades on my wife's car before their trip, and I'm used to changing Toyota wiper blades. These are completely different. So it has a little mechanism in the back here you have to squeeze and then pull this thing out without snapping the whole thing. There we go. So now it has this sideways mount on it, or side mount. I have to take that off. And I have to put this one in its place. And then that's what mounts back in. And now this is going to lock into place where this one did. This is it plastic? But this is held in by a pin. This is held in by a clip. So hopefully this will work okay. And then this has to go under. And there we go. Way different than changing Toyota blades. On my Scion, I just get the little inserts, and then I'm able to pop the whole arm off and pull the inserts out and put the inserts in. My wife said they didn't have inserts; you had to buy this contraption. So for the two front and the back was like $47. Where they're going, it's going to be raining and possibly snowing, so she definitely needs blades. And then what do you call it? El Nino is supposed to be coming this year, so she's due either way. Now to do the back. Mission accomplished.